bees just swarmed, it looks like. This is amazing. I think they're all landing on this branch up here. Hey Bobby, a little advice here, buddy. One of my hives, I believe it's one of my hives, although I put supers on last week, just swarmed. It's kind of the first time I've ever seen this. It was pretty neat. Looks like they're all landing on this branch. It's kind of high up. It's probably about 18 to 20 feet up. Well, about an hour ago, one of my hives, I assume it's mine because I didn't see them exit the hive, but they're in my yard. Anyway, one of my hives looks like just swarmed. They were swirling all around the ground here, and then they've all landed on this tree, and they've got scouts out looking for a suitable home. It's too high for me to get up there and safely get them down. My extension ladder would not reach that branch. So I've got 2 swarm traps sitting out, baited with lemongrass oil. And I'm just hoping, and this one's got a feeder on it, and this one's got a comb on the 5 frames in there. I'm hoping that they'll choose that as their new home. If not, I've lost some bees.